Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
E te ti, e te tā, nau mai ki te aki tua Rotorua. Welcome to Rotorua Boys High School in this penultimate round of the Super 8 Schools Rugby competition. Right, kua whana is kicked, we're underway, going deep into the territory of Te Papaioea. Te Papaioea looking to go wide very quickly. Playing a good lateral game there. Strong run there by the hooker, Casmo Sale. Also forward is Hansen. Strong run there by Seteliki Mawheleo. Good recycling there. Tirimana finds 2-5. Jinking run forward into, unfortunately, a turnover there. And now strong run by this Palmy Boys player down the right edge. Good try there in the McDonald zone against the running play. Just calming the storm a little bit. Rotorua inching towards Te Rarangi Piroa, Te Papaioea. Jake Hutchings just millimetres short of the line. Rotorua need to recycle this cleanly. Te Mana with the pass to Tukotahi Richards Defoe, finding Hansen. Surely Brayley, money ball. Tried to Wiramu Brayley. Potentially a high tackle there. No, the referee has let that one go. Saw no malice in it. Here's Kasner, this impressive hooker again on the edge. Matching the strong run by his opposite Bronson van der Hayden earlier on. Good try there by Bradley Toka. Recycling there, halfback Cooper Furnell. Finding the... oh. Good run there by 22, Nehemiah Sua. Being chased down well by Josiah Graham. Rotorua not being as urgent on defence as they needed to be. And that try there scored by number 8, Alex Palazzo. Look for them to drive off Hutchings. Ball is right there, line is right there also. Just inching forward. Gariki Rogers there with the score. Fine front door pass there by Te Kahurangi Keel. Maika Alofi made in a strong tackle there. 2-5 with the nudge downfield. Not finding touch yet. The chase isn't strong by Rotorua. Phil Hewen with a strong run bringing the ball back. Palmerston North boys scoring under the uprights there. Met by a strong tackle. 2-5. Short of the line. Quick defence there by number 11, Joseph Radcliffe. Two to 5 with the nudge. Straight down the middle. So Rotorua Boys High School going down to Palmerston North Boys High School in a very close encounter here at Te Aki Tua Rotorua.
Down with this. You try, but you can't see me. 'Cause I'm down with this.